Good morning. Do you know today is a special day for the CERN community, but also for you, because there will be the pre-opening event of the new outreach center, the Science Gateway, which will host expositions, conferences, and brand new hands-on experiences for the general public. So the official opening will be on the 7th of October, so very soon anyway. And today there will be a special pre-opening event where our Director General, Fabiola Gianotti, will show us the new outreach center. I will be there as well, and I will tell you and I will show you the new center later. Okay, so have a nice day and see you later. Bye bye.